You are watching Learn with Rushika. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn the words that start with letter S. So let's get started. This is capital letter S. And this is small letter S. The sound of letter S is S. S. S for sun. S, s, sun. S for soup. S, s, soup. S for spider. S, s, spider. S for spinach. S, s, spinach. S for school bus. S, s, school bus. S for school. S, s, school. S for swim. S, s, swim. S for strawberry. S, s, strawberry. S for slide. S, s, slide. S for sleep. S, s, sleep. S for snake. S, s, snake. S for snail. S, s, snail. S for skin. S, s, skin. S for scooter. S, s, scooter. S for smile. S, s, smile. Kindly like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.